Welcome to the channel. Today, we'll dive into an intriguing chapter of Andromeda's history, when it underwent fierce star formation and became a luminous infrared galaxy. Let's explore how this cosmic transformation unfolded and what it means for our understanding of galaxies in the universe. About 10 billion years ago, the Andromeda galaxy, much like our own Milky Way, was in a highly active phase of star formation. But during this period, Andromeda was producing stars at an incredible rate. It was consuming the gas and dust that filled its interstellar medium at such a furious pace that it emitted vast amounts of energy, especially in the infrared part of the spectrum. This surge in star formation caused Andromeda to be classified as a luminous infrared galaxy (LIRG). What makes a galaxy like this special? LIRGs radiate much more light in the infrared than in the visible part of the spectrum, sometimes hundreds of times more. This powerful infrared emission is due to the heat generated by massive amounts of dust, which absorbs the intense light from newly forming stars and re-emits it as infrared radiation. Essentially, it's like a cosmic furnace, with energy being pumped out by the process of star formation. But what sparked such fierce star formation in Andromeda? One possible explanation is that the galaxy may have experienced a major galactic merger or interaction during this period. When galaxies collide or pass near each other, their gas and dust are disrupted, often leading to violent bursts of star formation. These interactions can compress large regions of gas, triggering the birth of millions of stars in a relatively short span of time. In Andromeda's case, this starburst activity was so intense that it changed the way the galaxy behaved. The sheer quantity of stars being born created dense clouds of gas and dust, which absorbed most of the galaxy's visible light, making Andromeda a bright object in the infrared. As the star formation continued, Andromeda's shape and structure evolved. The spiral arms, which we observe today, began to develop over time, but the galaxy was once much more chaotic and irregular in appearance. Over billions of years, Andromeda's star formation gradually slowed down, and it transitioned out of the LIRG phase. It became the more serene spiral galaxy we see today, home to over 1 trillion stars. Understanding this phase of Andromeda's evolution is crucial because it provides a glimpse into the life cycle of galaxies. Many galaxies go through periods of intense star formation, followed by phases of relative calm. Andromeda's luminous infrared past is a reminder of how dynamic and ever-changing galaxies are, even those in our cosmic neighborhood. Andromeda's transformation into a luminous infrared galaxy offers us clues not only about its history but also about the broader processes that shape galaxies throughout the universe. By studying these luminous phases, astronomers can learn more about how galaxies grow, evolve, and influence the larger structure of the cosmos.
The first thing we think about, of course.
If you enjoyed this journey into Andromeda's fiery past, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting space content. See you next time.